Curious about the fuse box, location, and diagram for the 2022 Toyota Prius? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2022 Toyota Prius engine compartment fuse box protects essential systems like the engine, headlights, and cooling fans. It is housed in a durable plastic cover with a labeled diagram for easy fuse identification. The box contains high amperage and standard blade fuses to prevent electrical overloads and short circuits. Engine compartment fuse box type B. The 2022 Toyota Prius engine compartment type B fuse box contains additional fuses for specific electrical components, complementing the main fuse box. It is housed in a compact plastic enclosure with a labeled cover for easy identification. This fuse box helps protect auxiliary systems by preventing electrical overloads and short circuits. Instrument panel fuse box. The 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser instrument panel fuse box safeguards interior electrical systems like the infotainment, climate control, and power accessories. It is housed under the dashboard with a labeled cover for easy fuse identification. The box contains low amperage blade fuses for various cabin functions. It prevents electrical damage by disconnecting power in case of overloads or short circuits. Instrument panel side fuse box. Instrument panel relay box. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions, disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.